mushrooms. Day what? Day 11, part 1. Let's take a peek in. So, there's been some changes overnight that I haven't noticed any, as you can see. So I'll start spritzing. Back here. Only people from my Google Classroom will tell me what I'm going to make with the mushrooms. Okay? So if you're somebody off my Google Classroom who's watching and wants me to make something with mushrooms in, you can comment on this video saying that make this or with mushrooms in. So please do if you want to. So I'm going to see you soon in the afternoon. Bye. Growing mushrooms, day 11. You have probably noticed my little guest right here. His name's Claude. He's going to be standing over here for now. So I'm going to start spritzing mushrooms. Claude, do not try and get wet. I hope that's a no. Or a yes. I can't tell. Oh, turn the head. I made you. Feels monkey. Nope, wrong. So, I'll see you tomorrow with day 12, the update of the mushrooms. Bye!